How do residency programs limit early autonomy? Imagine stepping into a complex environment where your decisions can significantly impact patient care. Residency programs are designed to prepare medical graduates for independent practice, yet they often impose certain restrictions on how much independence residents can exercise early in their training. Understanding the reasons behind these limitations reveals a commitment to patient safety, educational structure, and legal responsibilities. One primary factor is patient safety. Residents are still developing their clinical judgment and procedural skills. Supervising physicians closely monitor their actions to ensure correct diagnoses and treatments. This oversight involves direct supervision during patient interactions, which naturally limits the resident's ability to act entirely independently. For example, residents may need approval from attending physicians before ordering certain diagnostic tests or initiating specific treatments, especially in high-risk cases. Educational frameworks also influence the degree of autonomy granted. Residency programs follow structured curricula that specify learning milestones and competency assessments. These frameworks often requiring residents to demonstrate proficiency in fundamental skills before progressing to more autonomous roles. Consequently, early in training, residents are often assigned tasks under supervision, with increasing independence only granted as they demonstrate competence. Legal and institutional policies further shape restrictions. Hospitals and training programs are bound by regulations that define the scope of practice for residents. These policies are designed to protect both patients and residents from legal liabilities. For instance, residents may be restricted from performing certain procedures independently until they have completed specific training or certification requirements. Additionally, documentation and oversight procedures ensure that all actions taken by residents are reviewed and authorized appropriately. Furthermore, the hierarchical nature of medical training emphasizes gradual responsibility. Supervising physicians often observe residents during procedures or patient interactions, providing feedback and guidance. This mentorship model ensures that residents build confidence and skills over time, but it also means that early on, their decision-making is often reviewed and sometimes deferred to attending physicians. In summary, residency programs limit early autonomy primarily to safeguard patient health, adhere to educational standards, comply with legal regulations, and foster a structured learning environment. These measures ensure that residents develop into competent, confident physicians capable of practicing independently in the future.